Because of how problematic Windows can be and how easy it is to get viruses and install programs that cause problems, and there's malware and spyware and operating system crashes, it's a good idea to go ahead and, particularly for the beginning user, to create a user account other than the main maintenance administrative account. So you'll see here there's an account I'm calling maintenance. It's a computer administrator. The guest account is off. I'm going to go ahead and choose to create a new account, and I'm just going to call this one visitor. And so the visitor account will be a limited access account. I'm going to call it limited here. And we'll say create an account. And for the maintenance account, then we can go ahead and create a password. And the reason for that is as you set up a computer for somebody, you want them to be using the everyday account and not the account that's the administrative account, because it's so easy to cause problems, and it's just a hassle for the beginning user. They won't know what's a legitimate update versus what's fake malware, spyware, that type of thing. So when the person starts up the computer, they will be presented with, here, let me go ahead and just log off. Well, here we go. Try that again. Turn off computer. Actually, before I turn off, I want to just point out one other thing. Under Control Panel and User Accounts, there's an option here to change the way users log on and off. Fast user switching was designed to make it easy to switch between user accounts, but on a slower computer it can really slow things down. Using the welcome screen is probably fine for most people, but that fast user switching, it's a good idea to turn that off. So now that that's turned off, I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer. Or actually, sorry for the confusion here, I'm going to do log off in this case. There's no need to totally restart. So once I log off, we'll see the startup screen as it would be viewed when you restart the computer. And you'll see here there's the maintenance account that now requires a password, and the visitor account that somebody can just go ahead and click on. I won't go through on this video, I will not be going through the basic setup of a new Windows user account, because I already did that in a previous video, but there's the Welcome to XP interactive presentation. There's also needing to set up the quick launch area and a bunch of other things that are covered in previous segments of these videos on how to set up a Windows XP computer. So basically at this point the computer is now finally ready with the necessary drivers, software, user accounts, etc. And after a few final touches here, I'm just going to go ahead and do an image of it using Norton Ghost, and also another one using True Image Home by Avast. No, not Avast. Acronis True Image Home imaging software.